Hello folks, here's a quick guide of how you can add text to an image without downloading or installing any app by just directly going to lightxeditor.com. Visit www.lightxeditor.com and go to the editor tools and click on Add Text to Photo tool. You will be directed to a new page where you can click the Upload Image option and select from 3 given options. Since we have a specific image in our mind, we're going to take the picture from our device and choose from our device library. Alright, this one seems perfect. It will provide you an option of adding text with multiple stunning text templates, ranging from basic social captions to highlights, events, and many more. Here I'm choosing the subheading text and clicking. The text will now appear in your photo and you can edit it by double-clicking. Type your own desired text, and here I'm typing a famous quote I found online, for example. As you can see. Now select your text and adjust the font size and alignment. You can choose the outline, thickness, and color as per need, and you can drag and select the position also. Choose your font styles. Here I'm choosing Play Fair, Display Bold, and Perfect. Moreover, you can add various elements to make your image attractive. Here I'm selecting from multiple shapes. This one looks appropriate for our image. You can adjust the opacity of this element. Here I want it to be visible but not too visible, you know what I mean? So I want it to sort of dilute within the image. Now select the size and position it accordingly. You can also add multiple texts within one image. So as this code was given by MAYAANGELOU as I'm typing. So I'm again going to the text templates library and selecting from the highlight text template now. Changing the font to Roboto Regular and then typing Maya Angelou. Select the color and finalize the position, and wonderful. We have successfully added text to the photo. Lastly, name the file at the top quote and click on the Save button just beside the file name. As soon as the Save button turns green, your file edits are saved. Now click on the Download button at the top right corner and choose your desired format by adjusting the resolution, which can also be done manually. Click on the Download button and save your image on your device. Super easy and quick. And that's how you can add text to a photo. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.